Now after anyway, it's 3 days I don't see Fox, and now NSSA wait until 26.
28th of April.
28th of April. Now it's 23.
3, yes.
6 days, 5 days.
Yes, that's right.
But this is not fair. It's absolutely not fair. Impossible. Foxtel is a big company. You know, have technician around the Leichhardt. We are a couple of seconds from Sydney, the capital of New South Wales. You know, have a technician around here before 5 days. This is unacceptable. Really, it's unacceptable. Sorry, I like to complain. And I put all this telephone call, everything on the Facebook right now because this is absolutely unacceptable. From the company, make a lot of advertising, big deal, and after for fix, we require 5 days. This is ridiculous. Send me a new box if it's the box straight away. Send me another technician tomorrow. Why? I don't understand why I wait 5 days. The reason. I don't think it don't exist. I don't all this complaint around Foxtel doesn't work at all. Because if you told me I need to wait 5 days, it's maybe because all technician is busy, and this is why because Foxtel doesn't work. It's very bad for the company. It's very bad. If I necessarily wait 5 days, because you know her enough technician for send to me before 5 days, you know. It's nothing to do with you person. You have your job. I think about the company, of course.
I understand, Paula. What you're saying is absolutely right. I will take it as a feedback from your end, Paula. Because see, if there was any technician I could send you right now or tomorrow, I would have been the first person to do that for you, Paula. Because I know without television, even I'm also, when I go home and my TV doesn't work, even I would not like it, Paula.
Yeah, it's very bad. Can you send my complaint to the company?